Hi everyone and welcome to a new video of Plant Yes. In this video I'm going to show you how to grow a Colocasia antiquorum. For this you need an Eddo, which is the corm of this plant. If you're already excited to see this video, make sure to comment down below, subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up to this video. This is an Eddo corm. You can plant this corm in some potting soil to grow a nice plant. Cover the corm with some soil, water it a little bit and cover with a plastic bag to maintain a high humidity. After a few weeks the corm has sprouted. A Colocasia plant is growing from the corm. If you wait for a while, the plant will grow bigger and bigger. But I noticed that it was growing on one side of the pot instead of in the middle. I suspected that I planted the corm the wrong side up. After I removed the plant from the pot, I saw my suspicion was true. Since the plant already had quite a lot of roots, I decided to remove the plant from the corm with a quick turn and transplant it back in the middle of the pot. I decided to start again to grow a new plant from the corm. Thank you for watching this video on how to grow the Colocasia antiquorum. If you've enjoyed it, make sure to give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel. Have a look around and start to grow your knowledge. Bye!